Mr. Speaker, on Monday, a gas leak caused a major explosion in my community that destroyed 4 houses in construction and affected more than 45 families. Sadly, 12 people were injured. I visited the Emergency Command Center where I touched base with our local city councillor, Catherine Kitts. The Salvation Army and the Red Cross teams were there on site, coordinating temporary accommodation and providing food vouchers for those who have been affected. The Ottawa Police and our first responders assessed the situation in such a timely manner and had done such an amazing job with securing the residents who had to evacuate their home for safety purposes. Mr. Speaker, I want to say merci. Je veux remercier tous les gens, les services de police, les ambulanciers, les pompiers, tous les bénévoles, le groupe Minto pour leur travail de premier plan à informer et appuyer les familles qui ne peuvent retourner chez elles. Vous pouvez compter sur mon appui. Bon courage.